Welcome back. Now news from sports. Pro League champions Dempo Sports Club are now Super Cup winners. Prolific goal scorer Ranti Martins scored the match-winning goal and consigned Salgonka Sports Club to runners-up position in Super Cup as well. Salgonka had earlier finished runners-up in Kingfisher Pro League.
Dempo Sports Club had to work hard for their victory against traditional rivals Salgonka Sports Club. The winning goal came in the 73rd minute through in-form Nigerian forward Ranti Martins.
Everybody has done the work well, and we have got this result. We worked hard for these trophies. Now we have to work hard in the I-League.
So what are your expectations in the I-League?
Definitely we are leading by 6 points, and we will do the best we can to win the I-League.
After winning Super League, this is Super Cup. It's a moral booster for Dempo for I-League. The 6 matches are remaining, so it's good. Boys have done well. They have given their best.
What is your plan for I-League?
I-League, see, we don't have special plans. Everything is special for us. Whatever, whether it is a Goa League or I-League, everything, we have to win. We should try and win.
A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Salgonka Sports Club cruised past Sarvodaya Royals in Goa Professional League, winning by 7 wickets. This adds to Sarvodaya's woes, as now they are rooted in joint last position with Dempo on 6 points. Saurabh Bandekar and Sherman was dismissed Sarvodaya for only 87 in 17 overs. In the first match of the day, GCA Academy Stars were simply blown away by NRB GS's Joe Chaya's power hitting. The Baroda lad scored 53 off just 21 balls.
Bolstered by strong performances by the bowlers, Salgonka dismissed Sarvodaya for a mere 87 runs in 16.5 overs. Saurabh Bandekar wrecked the top order with 4 wickets for 22 runs, while Sherman Vaz wrapped the tail claiming 3 wickets. When Salgonka came out to bat, Sagun Kamath dampened any hopes that Sarvodaya had. The stylish southpaw, who has been amongst the runs this GPL, scored a quick-fire 29 studded with quite a few boundaries and sixes. Sarvodaya Royals chipped away at the wickets. But Vishal Singh walked in and smashed the ball to all sides of the park. Salgonka was slowed down in the middle overs, but nevertheless got to the target in 14.4 overs. Saurabh Bandekar was awarded the Man of the Match award.
Yeah, I was waiting for that special day. I wasn't getting those important wickets, but today I did it, so I'm happy with myself.
Enabled NRB GSA Stars to overcome GSA Stars' score of 130. But Sher Bahadur Yadav was the man of the match for his 3 wickets. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Demdra Gaonkar.
A visiting media team from Hyderabad defeated Prudent Media by 44 runs in the 3-match friendly cricket series at Panjim Gymkhana ground on Tuesday. The visitors had also won against Goa Press team on Monday. Hyderabad team will wind up their Goa visit on Wednesday with a match against Goa Press 11.
After winning the toss, Prudent Media offered Hyderabad Press the opportunity to bat first, and the visitors scored 125 runs in 20 overs, losing 5 wickets. The main contributors to the Hyderabad Media total were Nagaraj, who top scored with 36 runs, and Shailendra with 27 runs. Prudent Media's Nikhil Pereira and Nishan Shirvoikar got 2 wickets each. Prudent Media managed to score only 81 runs in 16.1 overs. A shocking start with both openers falling for ducks made Prudent's task a mountain to climb. Top scorer Nikhil Pereira hit 21 runs including 3 boundaries. Shailesh Dhatiye made 20 runs including a sixer and 2 fours. Nikhil and Shailesh were the main contributors to Prudent's run chase, which eventually fell way short of the target. Sampath did the major damage to Prudent's run chase with 4 for 18. He was ably supported by Venu, who took 2 for 24, while MS Shankar, Shailendra and Raman captured 1 wicket each for Hyderabad. Our video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Kampal.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when it happens. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.